Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're showcasing what we consider the best Christmas angel figurines resin ceramic decorative set. The CB Gift TC616 Nativity Angel Figurine. A true embodiment of elegance and devotion, this figurine is more than just a decorative piece. It's a heartfelt celebration of the Christmas story and a perfect addition to your seasonal decor. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the attention to detail. Crafted from durable stone resin, this 8.25-inch tall figurine captures a serene nativity scene guarded lovingly by an angel. Measuring 8.25 by 2.25 by 8 inches, it's designed to sit beautifully on your mantel, table centerpiece, or a dedicated nativity space in your home. The sculpting is exquisite, reflecting timeless artistry that speaks to the sacredness of the moment being portrayed. As we take a closer look, the angel stands protectively over the Holy Family, with flowing robes, gentle facial features, and wings that arch gracefully. The craftsmanship here is not rushed. Every fold of the garment and expression on the face seems to tell part of the nativity story. The color palette used is soft and subtle, staying true to traditional religious art styles while offering a calm and reverent presence in your decor. What also makes this figurine stand out is its gift readiness. It comes packed in a beautifully designed Avalon Gallery signature gift box, which not only makes it ideal for gifting during the holidays but also ensures safe storage when not in use. The box itself is elegant enough to make an impression without even needing wrapping paper. Avalon Gallery, the brand behind this piece, is part of Creative Brands, a company known for over 60 years of creating religious and inspirational home decor. They specialize in designs that express Christian values and celebrate themes of hope, faith, and spirituality. And with this figurine, it's clear their focus was on authenticity and meaningful design. This isn't just another decorative item to fill space on a shelf. It's a symbol, a visual reminder of the reason behind the season. Whether you're deeply religious or simply appreciate finely crafted traditional art, this angel figurine offers a touch of serenity and sacredness to your holiday setup. It also fits beautifully with other nativity sets or Christmas village displays. Its size is just right, large enough to be noticeable, yet compact enough not to overwhelm other decorations. Whether placed alone or among other holiday pieces, it draws attention in a subtle, graceful way. So, if you're searching for a meaningful Christmas gift or hoping to enhance your own holiday space with something spiritual and artistically rich, the CB Gift TC616 Nativity Angel Figurine is an excellent choice. It's not just decorative, it's a heartfelt piece that brings the nativity story to life in a beautifully sculpted form. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insightful looks into timeless and inspirational home decor, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.